Kate made a falcha.
Falcha. Beautiful. Welcome. Would you like to introduce yourself?
I'm Mona O'Farrell.
Mona, and who's this charming person with you?
Declan O'Farrell, the son. Number 2 son. Well, actually, number six.
And so what are you going to cook for me today, Mona?
Soda bread.
So, who taught you how to make it, Mona?
No one.
You just taught yourself?
Yeah.
So you didn't learn your cooking skills from your mum?
No.
Oh, how did you learn then?
I just started doing them. Someone else was doing it.
All right, so do you want to go for it? Do you want to tell us what you're doing
I
here?
just put the way it won't stick,
Yeah.
the flour into that.
So a bit of flour in there.
yeah, and then I'll put the rest of it in here.
And how much flour, Mona?
Not quite a kilo. Is that kilo?
Oh, a kilo. That much?
Yeah, a kilo. Yep.
Yeah.
Wow.
No, I don't put the full kilo in.
Right. So just a bit less than a full
Yeah.
kilo. So we're going to sift it first.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So did we used to have one of those gadgets?
I had them.
Okay, yeah. Okay.
So we're just doing old school, Declan.
Yeah.
Old school.
So this is only on there to prevent it from sticking to the
Yeah.
base.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
I remember that.
Yeah. And if anyone doesn't know, soda bread's a very Irish thing, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
But they still make it a lot in Ireland, Mona.
My sister makes the brown, but you can't get the proper brown here. The
Ah.
soda bread. I like the soda bread with the bits in it.
Okay, so we've done the flour. We've sifted the flour in the bowl.
Bicarb.
How much
And-
bicarb?
Just a half teaspoonful.
Right. Powder.
Just a half too.
Half a teaspoon.
And what did you just throw in then?
That was
That's
the.
the soda.
Oh, how much? Oh, hang on, how much buttermilk's that?
600 mils.
Rightio. So
I was
600
going to
mil.
throw it out because it's there for a long time.
Right.
And then I smelt it, and it's not...
Which it doesn't matter if it is anyway, because isn't it always a soury?
Yeah, it is, but I thought it was too long.
No, because it's a 4 for the 4th 20.
Yeah.
So
Oh, well, that's that one. The other one must be different.
okay, so that means you're out of date by 6 months, Mum.
Yeah. That's why I didn't know whether I could use it or not.
Okay, so she's going to try and poison us, guys. That's interesting. So we've got the 26. Oh my God, this is younger, Mum.
That's
This is
what I
older.
said.
Okay, let's just.
So
So obviously, out of date is better.
There you go. 600 mils of buttermilk in
Yeah.
there.
You can make your own buttermilk anyway.
Really?
You only have to put vinegar into the ordinary milk.
And
You
it
put
curdles.
vinegar in
Yeah.
it.
And
oh,
curdles.
there
I've
you
read
go.
that on iPad.
That's a good tip.
Yeah.
Oh, you're a modern woman reading your iPad.
Do you like how it's called the iPad? She sees it on iPad. It's not Google.
And how often do you reckon you'd make soda bread?
Oh, not very often, I don't.
Not now.
There's no one here to eat
Every
it.
function.
no one here to-
Every function. So every
Oh.
party,
Yeah.
there was always soda bread brought in, and everyone would. If it wasn't the other Mona, it'd be Mum making it because we'd expect it.
But can you go to the shop and buy soda bread? I've never thought of it. Does any baker... There must be bakers doing it, the Irish.
I don't
I
know.
don't know. Well,
I've never thought of it.
No.
That's it.
Yeah.
But notice how it actually doesn't fill the whole thing, but it will expand into it.
Yeah, look at that.
And that's only using an old
amazing.
fry pan, isn't it, Mum?
Yeah.
Wow,
Have
that looks
plenty of them.
amazing.
Now I do have everything full of flour and...
Yeah, I'll get that out. Okay.
Oh, why are you cutting it like that?
Well, then you can cut it in quarters. Give to
Right.
anyone.
Okay.
Oh,
So it's all prepared prior, so she's heading over to
okay. Now we go into the oven.
Yeah.
All right.
Open the door.
Slowly.
So,
Slow.
what sort of temperature oven are you going to put it in?
I think it's 160 or 80. What have I got it on?
You've got it on 180.
Yeah.
180. Okay, so it's
About
going in the
3/4
oven.
of an hour.
What's that?
About 3/4 of an hour.
3/4 of an hour. It's 45 minutes for those.
Yeah. Hang on. This is half.
Let's open it up again. Let's have a little look at it. Oh, look at that. See, it's always the smell. Look at that. Oh, the smell is fantastic. Beautiful.
So why don't you shake it?
Oh.
Just to make sure it wasn't...
stuck.
Yeah, it never is, but
Look how nice and gnarly it looks. That's what I love about it. That looks just like I remember my granny making. That is amazing. You pleased with that, Mona?